So Emma, we're at a drainage job right now. Is it pretty smushy here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really, really smushy. So this customer has a sump pump that's coming here, and then Emma, it's dumping out right here, right? Yeah, that's really bad. So it's really...
So we're going to move it all the way over there?
Yeah, we're going to tie it into the storm sewer. But what a common mistake a lot of companies will do is a lot of waterproofing companies will take it and just move it like with solid pipe. Like, what do you think? That's about 12 feet away from the house, Emma?
I think.
Yeah, so then what they do is they just move the problem right here. Whoop, whoop, super wet, right?
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, so they...
So we're going to get rid of the mud and then...
We're totally going to get rid of the mud.
Move it out.
So a big problem with this is then they move the water just like this in this area, and you can see that they've got window wells over here. So it's literally just recycling. And Emma, back up, you're in the mud. It's literally just making a giant mess. And then it's also like, it could come back, which it's really coming back close to over here. It could come back into the basement and flood the basement, which is really, really bad.
Oh, so it can't flood.
Yeah,
Do they even have a basement?
They do, but we don't want the basement to flood. So what are we gonna do? Will you show your design, Emma?
So what we're gonna
That's literally exactly what we would do, which is awesome. Good job, buddy. Into the storm sewer, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's exactly. So what we'll do...
And then I think we're going to get rid of all of these leaves.
Yeah, we're gonna clean it all up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a French drain from here all the way through here, tie in all of these downspouts. There's actually a low point on the other side of the driveway over there. Right, Emma?
So what we're going to do is we're going to, a little thingy.
And dig it all out?
Thing, and then it'll fall into it. That'll go right in there.
Yeah, and then we're gonna do a French drain, which is a perforated pipe. Come on, buddy. All through here, which is gonna collect all of this. We'll tie in all the downspouts, tie in the sump pump. There'll be some collection basins here, which will be really good. We like to use the 6-inch collection basins because then kids like Emma do not trip over it. And then it's gonna come through here. At this point, this will...
So if we didn't do this, then some kids will slip in the mud because it's slippery.
Yes, and we do not want that.
Yeah, so we don't want that,
and then what are we gonna do? We're gonna re-sod it.
And then we're going to dig out the mud in it.
Yeah, and that's all a part of the French drain process. We'll regrade.
Wait. Are we gonna do the house?
No, we're just gonna do all the drainage. But come on over here, buddy. So then what we're gonna do, we don't need to do French drain through here. So to keep the costs like more reasonable, we're gonna do solid pipe all through here. Come on, buddy, let's show them over here. So this downspout here, we'll tie that in. And then Emma, walk over here. Does it get pretty squishy? Yeah, let's see over here. It starts getting real squishy over here. So this area, we need to do French drain. So we're gonna do about 50 feet of French drain all through here. They tried doing rock, and you can see how this is not really nice looking. This is kind of gross.
Yeah, it is.
And then we'll tie in.
We're gonna get rid of all these rocks, but where are we gonna put it?
So that's a good question. We can actually recycle these in the French drain, which is great. And then Emma, right there, we're gonna tie in this downspout, put a filter under it. We're gonna come right through here, Emma, right? And this down.
We're gonna get rid of all of this, and then we're gonna put the grass where?
We're gonna re-grass it, but we're gonna make it so it comes like a swale like this.
What are we gonna put?
We're gonna transplant it, so we can take these bushes.
What is transplant?
Transplant means we're gonna move them. So we're gonna move them over here so they look pretty. But will you come over here, buddy? And then we're gonna, from this point on, we're gonna do solid pipe. Emma, where are we gonna bring it to? What's down here? What is this, Emma? So this here, Emma, this is the storm sewer, right?
Yes.
So we're gonna connect everything into here. And then Emma, instead of it going in the yard, everything's gonna go in here, which is pretty awesome.
Yeah. But what if there's so much water that it can go up and up and up?
So Emma, that's a really good question. So if that happens, that's why the French drains are so important. Then the collection basins in the yard can kind of serve as overflows But that's a really good question, Emma. Well, are you excited to do this? All right. Thanks for coming with me. Give it a thumbs up.